Long before Jesus was born, people were waiting. They were waiting for a savior, someone God promised would come. In a small town called Nazareth, there lived a young woman named Mary. One day, an angel appeared to her and said she would have a child. The angel told her this child would be special. He would be called the Son of God. Mary was afraid, but she trusted God. Mary was engaged to a man named Joseph. When Joseph found out Mary was pregnant, he was confused and scared. But an angel appeared to him in a dream and told him not to be afraid. The child Mary was carrying was from God. Around that time, the Roman ruler ordered everyone to return to their hometown to be counted. So Mary and Joseph traveled to Bethlehem. The journey was long and difficult. When they arrived, the town was full. There was no room for them to stay. That night, Mary gave birth to her baby in a stable. She wrapped him in cloth and laid him in a manger, a feeding box for animals. This baby was Jesus. Out in the fields nearby, shepherds were watching their sheep. Suddenly, angels appeared in the sky. The shepherds were terrified. The angels told them, "Do not be afraid. We bring good news of great joy. Today, a Savior has been born." The angel said the sign would be a baby wrapped in cloth and lying in a manger. The shepherds hurried to Bethlehem. They found Mary, Joseph, and the baby just as the angel said. They were amazed and filled with joy. Later, wise men from the east followed a bright star in the sky. The star led them to Jesus. They brought gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. They bowed and honored him as king. That night, in a quiet stable, God came close to humanity. Not in a palace, not with power, but as a baby. And that is the Christmas story.